This is Prem Advani with Advani Realty. Today we're going to discuss how to make your dream home a reality. The first thing you want to do when looking for your dream home is figure out what your budget is. How much can you afford each month towards your mortgage, maintenance, and other property expenses? You also want to be very cognizant of how much you have remaining to spend on things that you enjoy doing, such as eating out at restaurants or your kids' college tuition. Now, once you've determined a budget, you want to meet with a mortgage broker. The mortgage broker will help you determine how much you can afford for that monthly payment and what you can qualify for. Then you interview and hire a realtor. I would suggest interviewing several agents, and when conducting the interviews, you always want to ask how many, and if any, homes that realtor has sold in the neighborhood and sales price. Once you've figured these things out, you're on your way to owning your dream home. This is Prem Advani. Thank you for watching.